Hey, when them tell you, that every Jamaican is a star and a joke thing, a serious thing. People wanna watch them look at you there, The man might was bucket in them. Anyway, I'm not talking it out. Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Yeah, gotcha. Woo! Yes, man. Yo, no tough, man. Yo, people see that right now, they're doing a real thing, I work on telephone, That's what I'm doing, Wait down, there, man.
Me rock stone.
Alright, I gotcha. Alright.
Yeah, but people wanna think. Remember, man, I say rate the youth them, man. The youth them do them thing, I have to big up the man who video this also. You understand me? The youth they keep up with thing maybe going to the market to the same bucket that people will support them. Maybe at a funeral or something like that. You know what I mean? I should look at answer them, virgin. Yeah, man. So me I try to get some clip from the comment section so you guys can see. I think the guys are from Portland or something like that in the people. Yeah, man.
Yeah, gotcha.
Love Topic TV.
You serious?